Welcome to Ben's Fixed Arrows. Today I'm going to replace the two camshaft of 2006 Nissan Murano. There's one at the front and there's one at the back. So it's very simple to do, and it's very cheaper if you do it yourself.
Just tie it with your fingers, then you can use the wrench later to tie it up. So now I'll use this to tie it up. Tie it up, not too tight. There, it's enough. Now you can put this thing back. All you have to do is the same. When you hear the click, there you go. That would be good. And now this one, we remove this one here. I'll use this to press and push. Just use a flat screwdriver there. Here you go. Here you go. I don't know if you can see right there. Then pull it up. Just pull it right there. Okay, it's a lot of oil. Here's my brand new one. go. Now it's the same thing like this way, because that's where the bolt goes. Right there. Put the bolt back. Here, and put this clip back. I'm gonna use this one is easy, just go like that. There you go. Hello, so there's no more code on the dash. You didn't see any more service engine soon. So, and also on my system, it says that there's no, the vehicle has no fault code. So hopefully that will solve the problem. Let's try again. I have to turn off the engine. So that's it, and that's the very simple way of saving money and do your own thing. And if you can't do it, then you have to go to the body to the automotive, and this is the only thing for me that saves me money and save me time. So I hope that you like this video, and you can click the thumbs up or click thumbs down if you don't like my video. It's fine with me. So but I really appreciate your support with my channel, and see you again next time for my video. Thank you.